Hi YouTube, it's the 28th day of Veda and I've got some news. As I mentioned in a previous video, for a while now my friends Carrie and Betsy and I have been talking about wanting to get an apartment together. Well, we're actually going to do it. We are going to get somewhere to live together. We're looking at a couple of apartment complexes and there's a duplex. And so this is all happening really quickly. We started talking about this seriously right about the beginning of April, and then within the last week we decided we're for sure going to do this, and now we're making appointments to go look at places. So I'm really excited about that. We were just hanging out and talking about things that we'll need to do, like splitting up furniture and appliances and that sort of thing, and I meant to take my camera along so that you could see some of them and their hilarity and see how we cannot keep a conversation moving in the same direction for more than like 4 minutes at a time, but I unfortunately forgot my camera. But yeah, that's happening and it's really exciting, and as much as I love the house that I live in and I really enjoy living with my parents for the most part, you know, because there are things, but I have really great parents. I'm grateful for that and I enjoy living with them. I'm excited to have my own place and to have my own place that I share with two other people who are not related to me, and to be able to do it while I'm living here in the town where my parents still are, and not before I go away to grad school and I'm having to deal with getting used to grad school and living on my own for the first time and that kind of thing. So this is really exciting for me, and if anything else cool happens with that, I'll keep you posted on that. Also, this was not the news that I teased a couple of days ago. I made a video for that announcement that I want to make about that, and I posted it privately for somebody else to see and give me feedback on, and within 2 minutes of that video posting, YouTube alleged that I had a copyright infringement in that video. And they blocked it in the United States. I don't have a copyright infringement in that video, and I have submitted a dispute to their claim. But I have no idea when they're gonna get back to me on that. It could be tomorrow, it could be Monday, it could be like 3 months from now. So I have no idea. I'm trying to work that out, and unfortunately you won't get that big announcement until that video goes up. But hopefully that'll be really soon, so keep your fingers crossed for that. I hope you are all having a good day, and I will see you tomorrow for the second to last day of Veda. Oh my gosh. Alright, bye everybody.